Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to clear browsing history on Microsoft Edge. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my Microsoft Edge. Now to clear history, first of all tap on this three line on the top right. You can see here is 3 points. And over here go to this history and click on this delete icon over here. After that, you will be redirected to this interface. Now you can see here is small pop-up over here. You can see over here clear browsing data. Here is time range. We can choose different time range from here. Last hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks or all time. Now I'll go with this last hour only. Also you can see here is browsing history, download history, cookies, cache, password, autofill password, site protection and many more options. You can just click them and delete if you want to delete them as well. For now, I'll just clear this browsing history. I have selected this and now I'll click on this clear now. You can see I have successfully deleted my browsing history on Microsoft Edge. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.